So in this video we're going to be looking at how you can restore a previous data folder associated with this particular project if you have enabled project storage. So we're going to access project storage just using Toolspace here by heading to the name of the drawing, right clicking and choosing project storage. Every time I open up my project, a brand new data folder is created for me with unique name, and the previous data folders associated with this project are all found over here on the right hand side. They are also located in this particular location. So if I click on this path here, you can see we've actually got a number of different projects which are using this folder for the project storage, but we've got a number of different folders here created which I can get access to. So let's have a look at how we can restore a previous version. I'm going to close down Windows Explorer. The first thing we would recommend you do is to check this box down here, which is to say backup data whilst unpacking. What's going to happen is if I restore this version at 10 o'clock, the contents of that data folder are going to be copied and then pasted into my current data folder, effectively wiping the data folder as it currently stands. So very important we understand that we are not preserving your current data unless you have this box checked on. Let's see the result of making this change. So we're going to click Restore Version. Your current data will be backed up. Yes, it will, because we've got that box checked on, and our current data is going to be replaced. Let's click Yes. It will confirm for me that a copy of my current data folder has now been backed up and placed in a zip file in the project storage folder location, which I can go back to if I need. I can click OK. And any changes that I'd made to this project, and in this case there are many, including the pipe branches, grading strings, roads, cul-de-sac, etc. This is the project in its state at 10 o'clock. Let's now go back to project storage. So we need to remember that your data folder is replaced with content of a previous version when you run restore. If you were to save your drawing, close it and reopen it, you would get a snapshot of your copy at that particular timestamp. So if you did want to restore an old version but then revert back to the version prior, you can always restore that one using the timestamped version in this form. If at any point you want to begin to clear some of these versions out, there's two ways you can do it. Firstly, you can head to the folder path located down here and delete the folders that are located in that folder path connected to your project. They will no longer be displayed in this list because they've been deleted from Windows Explorer. If you want to get rid of them completely, you can go to Tools and Clean Project Storage Folder, but what this is going to do is to clean this folder entirely and remove any other data folders located in here for any other projects. So you have to be very careful when using this particular option. Certainly just cherry picking the ones that you want to delete from Windows Explorer would probably be the best way to manage this going forward. In my case, I'm simply going to restore the version that was created about 7 minutes afterwards, which is completely different. We're going to click Restore Version. We're not backing up in this particular example. We're going to click OK. And this will now reinstate all of the design information at this 10.07 copy. Bear in mind though, if you have renamed alignments or alignments no longer exist in previous versions, we will respect that and we simply will not redraw any strings if the alignments are no longer found in the project.